rise above the mountains, over the seas of deep. And if you have time, shine where darkness haunts me. It's in the past, I believe. Falling too fast, I know if I'm ready. You're a gleam, it's all I've got, so rise over my path, over my story. Show me which way to go, 'cause I don't know how to be sure. Falling too fast, I know if I'm ready. You're a gleam, it's all I've got, so rise over my path, over my story. Show me which way to go, 'cause I don't know how to be sure.
To formally start the program, we shall now have the processional. Please welcome the graduating class of the College of Education and Human Development, College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, College of Environmental Design and Engineering, and the College of Information Technology Education. the entrance of the members of the faculty. The Dean of the College of Business Administration and Accountancy, Dr. Rolando R. Calma. The Dean of the College of Liberal Arts and General Education, Dr. Estelita C. Hoson. The Dean of the College of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences, Dean Elizabeth R. Rojas. The Dean of the College of Information Technology Education, Dean Clarissa P. Vicente. The Dean of the College of Environmental Design and Engineering, Engineer Leonardo V. Surio. The Dean of the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, Dean Maria Teresa N. Bernabe. The Dean of the College of Education and Human Development, Dr. Alvin G. Almahose. The Treasurer of the Baliwag University Alumni Association, Mr. Virgilio C. Caluwag. The University Registrar, Mr. Elvin R. Ventosilio. Carrying the University Maze, and the President of the Baliwag University, Dr. Patricia Bustos Lagunda.
Officers of the administration, members of the faculty, graduating class of College of Education and Human Development, College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, College of Environmental Design and Engineering, and the College of Information Technology Education. Families and friends of the graduates, ladies and gentlemen, I am Elvin Ventosilio, University Registrar, and it is with delight that I welcome all the candidates for graduation in the celebration of their completion of their Baliwag University education. Welcome to the commencement exercises for the first batch of the first trimester, second trimester, and the third trimester of the school year 2022-2023. Today, the candidates will receive their diplomas and receive their awards as applicable.
We remember that we are in God's presence. It is He who made us, and we are His people, the sheep of His pasture. Enter His gates with thanksgiving and His courts with praise. Give thanks to Him and praise His name. For the Lord is good, and His love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations. Almighty God, Creator and Ruler of the universe, our hearts swell with gratitude as we present to you on this momentous day the graduating students of this great institution, Baliwag University. The administrators, faculty, and staff join their parents and guardians in thanking you for the grace of this day. Accept, Abba, Father, our prayer of petition, that as they leave the hallowed halls of this university, may they carry in their hearts and constantly practice in their lives the values that will strengthen their character and sustain their love for you and their fellow men. As each of these students triumphantly step on this stage, it is your infinite goodness that we celebrate. We honor you today, and we bless your holy name. Amen.
Bayang matiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisihil, sa dagat at bundok sa simul, sa langit mo baka, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig, ang bituing na taro niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pa, may mga api na mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Pamantasang paniwag, bukal ka ng karunungan, isang gabay sa pagsulong at ang law ng kabataan. Lumikha ay pagpalain ka at patuloy kang magliwanag. Mabuhay, mabuhay ka, pamantasang paniwag. Mabuhay, mabuhay ka, pamantasang paniwag. Mabuhay ka.
Madam President, as Dean of the College of Education and Human Development, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Secondary Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, and Bachelor of Science in Social Work. They have successfully completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the university. They have been recommended for graduation by the faculty of the College of Education and Human Development and are, therefore, entitled to receive their diplomas. You may now be seated.
Madam President, as Dean of the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. They have successfully completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the university. They have been recommended for graduation by the faculty of the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism and are, therefore, entitled to receive their diplomas.
Madam President, as Dean of the College of Environmental Design and Engineering, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. They have successfully completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the university. They have been recommended for graduation by the faculty of the College of Environmental Design and Engineering, and therefore, they are entitled to receive their diplomas. You may now be seated.
Madam President, as Dean of the College of Information Technology Education, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They have successfully completed the requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the university. They have been recommended for graduation by the faculty of the College of Information Technology Education and are therefore entitled to receive their diplomas.
Madam President, I am Jed Derek Aiden Seal, a candidate for graduation. I represent the entire graduating class of the College of Education and Human Development, the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, the College of Environmental Design and Engineering, and the College of Information Technology Education for the first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester of the school year 2022 to 2023. I come before you now to petition you to confer on us the degrees for which our deans and the members of the faculty have recommended. We have completed all the requirements of our respective colleges, the Baliwag University, and the Commission on Higher Education. We have acquired the university's core values of responsibility, integrity, service, excellence, and respect. We are now ready, Madam President, to receive our diplomas.
May we request all the candidates for graduation to stand for the conferment of degrees. To confer the degrees is the President of the University, Dr. Patricia Bustos Lagunda. Madam President, as the University Registrar, I am submitting to you the list of the candidates for this year's graduation. I recommend that they be declared graduates of their respective degrees.
By virtue of the powers and authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the Baliwag University, and in accordance with existing regulations as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and upon the recommendation of the deans and faculty members of the College of Education and Human Development, College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, College of Environmental Design and Engineering, and College of Information Technology Education, I hereby declare you graduates of the degrees of Bachelor of Secondary Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, with all the rights, responsibilities, privileges, and honors appertaining thereto. Congratulations, graduates. You may now transfer your tassels to the left.
Now that you are bona fide graduates of Baliwag University, each one of you will receive your diploma from the university president and with the respective deans. But before that, honor graduates will be awarded with academic medals. Baliwag University confers titles and honors with the Latin marks of distinction to its graduates who have excelled in scholastic performance in any bachelor's degree program and satisfied the eligibility and academic residency required by the university. Those who graduated with a general weighted average between 1.20 to 1.00 without getting a grade lower than 1.25 are declared summa cum laude and are given gold medals. Those who graduated with a general weighted average between 1.40 to 1.21 without getting a grade lower than 1.75 are declared magna cum laude and are given silver medals. And those who graduated with a general weighted average between 1.60 to 1.41 without getting a grade lower than 2.25 are declared cum laude and are given bronze medals. All of them will also receive Alumni Golden Harvest Award medals from the Baliwag University Alumni Association. All Latin honor graduates are considered as civil service eligible and will be given certificates of eligibility from the Civil Service Commission. To read the names of the graduates with Latin honors is the Director of the Center for Student Life and Activities, Mr. Antonio V. Ortiz Jr. To award the medals is the President of the Baliwag University, Dr. Patricia Bustos Lagunda. She will be assisted by Mr. Elvin R. Ventosilio, the University Registrar.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to present to you the academic awardees with Latin honors for the 2023 commencement exercises. Jed Derrick A. Duncil, Bachelor of Secondary Education, magna cum laude, loyalty awardee. Esther Jedidiah C. Meneses, Bachelor of Secondary Education, magna cum laude, and loyalty awardee. Rixie Jane R. Alamo, Bachelor of Elementary Education, magna cum laude. Bob Aldrin L. Reyes, Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, magna cum laude, and loyalty awardee. Cyrus Geoffrey M. Castillejos, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, magna cum laude. Jason G. Nobleza,
Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Paul Justin T. Talaktak, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Erica Melise L. Angeles, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, cum laude. Cheska May S. Torres, Bachelor of Secondary Education, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jerlyn Blizeth F. Robles, Bachelor of Secondary Education, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Kate Isel D.C. Masalang, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Ayesa Daybert B. Betoy, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude. Radiance Faith R. Domingo, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude, loyalty awardee. John Renson A. Torres, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude. Felicia Marie Nicole S. Nimay, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jeanette Lenise R. Yanto, Bachelor of Secondary Education, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jomil Ann Bettina F. Malto, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Patricia Andrea Nicole S. Garcia, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, cum laude, loyalty awardee. And Mark Jenry T. Bangloy, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, cum laude. Once again, congratulations to all our awardees.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Secondary Education. Jed Derek A. Doncil, magna cum laude, loyalty awardee. Ana Marie M. Iniego. Esther Jedediah C. Meneses, magna cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jerlyn Blessed F. Robles, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Cheska May S. Torres, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jeanette Lenis R. Yanto, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Congratulations! The graduates of the degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, Rixie Jane R. Alamo, magna cum laude. Erica May R. Alquiros. Brenna Rose D. Marcelo, loyalty awardee. Irene P. San Pedro. Congratulations. The following are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Mary Grace J. Abalo. Kiana Grace G. Ampuan. Ayesa Daybert B. Betoy, cum laude. Radiance Faith R. Domingo, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Fiona R. Figueroa, loyalty awardee. Patricia Andrea Nicole S. Garcia, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Jessica Rainiel A. Giao. Jomil Ann Bettina F. Malto, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Felicia Marie Nicole S. Mimay, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Precious T. Samonte, loyalty awardee. And John Renson A. Torres, cum laude. Congratulations. And here is the graduate of the degree Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Jamaica Lian M. Shapko. Congratulations to all said graduates. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following are the graduates of the degree in Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Erica Melis L. Angeles, cum laude. Krisha Liana Miquel P. Aragon, loyalty awardee. Erilyn T. Baoy. Dave Roger A. Bulosan. Alisa Joy C. Calma. Geraldine O. Cuevas. Ralph Gabriel B. De Soto. Angelique C. De Los Angeles. Sheila Francesca M.D., loyalty awardee. Renjay T. Esguera. John Russell D. Estrella, loyalty awardee. Blessy D.S. Gamboa. A.G. Kaina R. Hiron. Vance Robert Isaac G. Hipolito, loyalty awardee. Stephen John A. Juliano, loyalty awardee. Denny Rose D.G. Ligon. Mariel M. Lopez. Mary Joyce S. Malyari, loyalty awardee. Nino Jairus C. Malyari, loyalty awardee. John Alexis F. Mangulabnan, loyalty awardee. Mark Paul S. Malcelo. Rafael Angelo M. Martin. Kate Izel D.C. Masalang, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Rizal G. Nagalio, loyalty awardee. Jason G. Nobleza, cum laude, loyalty awardee. Shankan Joshua S. Ortega, loyalty awardee. Karen May T. Pablo. Jose Emmanuel C. Pascual, loyalty awardee. Maria Colleen F. Pascual. Luis Aaron B. Placido, loyalty awardee. Minette S. Punong Bayan, loyalty awardee. Zoran J. I. Quinto, loyalty awardee. Missy Romela G. Ramos. Ayesa Jane J. Rivera, Loyalty Awardee. Brad Sander P. Rodriguez. Alisa Nicole V. Sanchez. Rochelle C. Santiago, Loyalty Awardee. Isabel Maren P. Santiago. Carl Andre C. Sabilla. Shane Krista C. Sabilla, Loyalty Awardee. Kim Leyan L. Silungan. Angelo C. Sison, Loyalty Awardee. Paul Justin T. Talaktak, Cum Laude, Loyalty Awardee. Queen Bridget D. Tomas, Loyalty Awardee. Howell Daniel T. Torres, Loyalty Awardee. Geraldine C. Valmonte. Millie Antoinette M. Veneracion. Congratulations, Hospitality Management graduates. And here are the graduates of the degree in Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Pauline M. Amper, Loyalty Awardee. Mariagerti Paula G. Banaynal, Loyalty Awardee. Mark Jenry T. Bangloy, Cum Laude. Julieta Kamain. Cyrus Geoffrey M. Castillejos, Magna Cum Laude. Jelaine Marie D.G. Cruz. Kyla Camille P. De La Cruz, Loyalty Awardee. Franziel Ruth L. Francisco. Gabriel B. Hernandez. Masayoshi M. Kikegawa. Jessa V. Meneses. Jesselyn T. Panaligan. Harley David D. Parcaray. Kevin Jade P. Pascual. Micah Roniela G. Ramos. Nicole Rivera. Riza D. Sanchez. JD P. Santos. Jasmine S. D. Santos, Loyalty Awardee. John Ralph D. Santos, Loyalty Awardee. Kim D.C. Balmosena. Sarah Lynn C. Vergara, Loyalty Awardee. Janil France M. Villarama. Ira Frances M. Villaseñor. Kayla L. Salavaria. Congratulations, Tourism Management graduates, and let's always be the best we can be.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. John Randale D.G. Adriano. Ivy Alexa S. Angeles. Jorbin D. Angeles. Kevin Brian C. Bañez. John Mark S. Bautista. Allen Ray M. Bugais, Loyalty Awardee. Camille D.C. Bulaon, Loyalty Awardee. Tony Lynn C. Kabakungan. John Kenneth C. Kabadonga. Miracle G. Cabrera. Ray Antoinette J. Kalang, Loyalty Awardee. John Russell D.C. Cortez, Loyalty Awardee. Brian Philip L. Cos. Edgardo Jr. M. Cunanan, Loyalty Awardee. Mark Joseph B. Daniel, Loyalty Awardee. Jared Michael S. D. De Leon. Maria Carmela Alexandra H. De Leon, Loyalty Awardee. Christopher B. Tibera, Loyalty Awardee. Orville M. De La Peña, Loyalty Awardee. Jericho T. Diaz, Loyalty Awardee. Angelo Di Matingkal. Lorjet S.J. Dino. John Kate M. Dison. Cheryl A. Isguera. Ron James D. Espejo. John Joshua B. Gonzalez, Loyalty Awardee. John Nicole M. Guevara. Arlene B. Haas. Hello. Kimberly G. Ibuan, Loyalty Awardee. Kent Jerwin F. Jimenez, Loyalty Awardee. Justin Jan C. Hoson, Loyalty Awardee. Roland Christopher M. Lau. Nina Linel D.C. Lopez. Ivan James D.P. Matosino. Maria Elena C. Navas. Andre Marie S. Paranes. Jibet T. Parungaw, Loyalty Awardee. Kim Cyril M. Peralta. Mary Ken Robig R. Rosakay. Charles Lyle D. Salas. George Rafael N. Samin. J.T. San Miguel, Loyalty Awardee. Robert Jan T. Sanchez. Patrick Matthew B. Santos. Hershey P. S. Tisbe. Jericho C. Umali, Loyalty Awardee. Mika Vanessa G. Valencia, Loyalty Awardee. Meji Macjir C. Valerio. Andrea Lynn M. Balmeo. Hazel B. Biliasis, Loyalty Awardee. Congratulations, Civil Engineering graduates. The graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Electronic Engineering. Ian Patrick B. Cunanan. Joyce Ann G. Pavia. Bob Aldrin L. Reyes, magna cum laude, Loyalty Awardee. Congratulations, Electronic Engineering graduates. The following are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Ian Carlos C. Balilin. Pritch B.R. D. Bianson, Loyalty Awardee. Roger S. Copino Jr. Charles Leonel S. M. David. Hannah Rubilin D.C. De Leon.
Lorenzo Miguel C. de la Cruz. Diyan. Gabriel L. Escobedo, Loyalty Awardee. Mark Anthony H. Gonzalez. Art Joseph M. Homacchio. Arnold Vincent T. Cudales. J.R.B. Manalidi, Loyalty Awardee. Miguel M. Manansala Jr., Loyalty Awardee. JBF Manuzon. John Alwin I. Mariano. Chris Mike C. Mendina. Gian Simon S.A. Uhasa, Loyalty Awardee. Alfredo D.C. Polo Jr. Dean Andrew L. Sagum, Loyalty Awardee. Christian Neil P. Bejerano. Congratulations, Mechanical Engineering graduates. The graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Jeric C. Buluran. John Edgar B. De Guzman. Edgar B. Sibilia Jr. Julie Ann C. Torres. Nico T.C. Villaroman. Congratulations, Electrical Engineering graduates. And here are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Janina R. Dagdag. Paul Harry S. Dorado, Loyalty Awardee. Erica Nicole L. Galang. Renz Kevin P. Guillermo. Kevin Kerr P. Pisek. Monique Ann S. Biernes. Congratulations, Computer Engineering graduates. Let's be the best we can be.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following are the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Roland Earl J. Andan. Alisa Rian N. Ferrer, Loyalty Awardee. Michelle Therese F. Lobigas. Meryl May M. Manlapas. And Brian Kenji B. Ramos. Marcos. Congratulations. The graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Zania Nicole N. Acuña, Loyalty Awardee. John Leonard C. Bartolome, Loyalty Awardee. Jaycil Yane S. Brillo. Mark John Bulahabo. Darwin Ivan C. Cruz. Kishela Marie S. David, Loyalty Awardee. Eris R. De Vera. Patricia May M. Gonzalez, Loyalty Awardee. Mark Ernie T. Guansing. Patricia Ann M. Ingal, Loyalty Awardee. Christopher James Jasmine. Jerine B. Larin. Christian Q. Macaraeg. Jans Harvey S. Ortega. Hill T. Pangan. Heidi M. Paulo. Eugene James F. Perez. Rafaelo Jan M. Rafael. Ardwin D.C. Ritual, Loyalty Awardee. Ashka G. Sanchez, Loyalty Awardee. Husam I. Tarantingan, Loyalty Awardee. And Raymond Lee D.R. Basalio, Royalty Awardee. Congratulations. Let's be the best we can be.
The graduates shall be inducted to the Baliwag University Alumni Association by Mr. Virgilio C. Caluwag, Treasurer of the Baliwag University Alumni Association. The graduates are requested to stand.
Please repeat after me. Kami, mga nagsisipag-aral sa Baliwag University, ay nangangako na magiging tapat sa paaralang aming pinagtapusan at sa Baliwag University Alumni Association. Dahil dito, sa aming buhay na pansarili at pambayan, sisikapin naming manatiling marangal ang aming pag-iisip, pananalita at pagkilos ay makapagpapatunay sa karunungan, kagandahang asal at pagka makabayan na siyang layunin ng Baliwag University Alumni Association. Ipinangangako namin kami makipagtulungan sa mga gawain at proyekto ng samahang ito upang makapagdulot ng dangal at kapurihan sa aming alma mater at sa ating inang bayan. Salamat po.
The graduates are again requested to remain standing for the pledge of loyalty to the alma mater. To lead the graduates in the recitation of the pledge is Ms. Esther Jedediah C. Meneses, a magna cum laude graduate from the College of Education and Human Development.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With humility and sincerity, I pledge my loyalty to the Baliwag University. I promise, without any mental reservation, to hold my diploma with utmost care and with sober sense of responsibility. And in gratitude and loyalty to my alma mater, I will endeavor to be worthy of her good name and will dedicate myself to the noble cause of country, science, and virtue. May God bless the Baliwag University.
Graduations provide an opportunity to recognize Baliwag University's outstanding faculty and non-teaching staff who provide the highest quality education and academic services to our students. On behalf of the whole Baliwag University, we tip our hats to them for their dedication to helping all of our students reach their full potential. We would also like to thank the administration and the university officials, the deans and department heads, most of whom are on stage right now, for leading Baliwag University in reaching 98 years of excellence through innovation and making the university one of the leading higher education institutions in the region. Let's give them a round of applause. It is also a pleasure to have the family and friends of our students and graduates who join us during special events such as this graduation. May I request all the parents and guardians of our dear graduates to please stand and to remain standing. We would like to thank you, the parents of our students and graduates. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you for your loyalty. We consider you our most valued partners in educating our students, your children. Your sacrifices and support led to this fulfillment of their dreams and your dreams for them. Graduates, stand up and behold your parents as a display of your appreciation. And while you are still wearing your academic gowns and caps, give them the loudest and the longest applause you can possibly give them. Maraming salamat po mga magulang ng ating mga graduates. And you all deserve this applause. And lastly, we salute you, dear graduates, for doing your best and being the best that you can be. Proud to be BU. Everyone, a warm round of applause for our graduates.
Ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa sa puso ng bawat isa. Karunungang tanglaw sa kinabukasan, taglayin gabay ng may lalang. Pagmamahal sa'yo ay di mawawala. Pasalamatan ka pamantas ang baliwag. Alayan ka at paglingkuran. Siyang dulot ng mga kabataan. Liwanag mo'y aming tataglayin. Sa bawat tagumpay nakakamtin. Mahal naming paaralan, purihin ka sa iyong kadakilaan. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa sa puso ng bawat isa. Karunungang tanglaw sa kinabukasan, taglayin gabay ng may lalang. Pagmamahal sa'yo ay di mawawala. Pasalamatan ka pamantas ang baliwag. Alayan ka at paglingkuran. Siyang dulot ng mga kabataan. Liwanag mo'y aming tataglayin. Sa bawat tagumpay nakakamtin. Mahal naming paaralan, purihin ka sa iyong kadakilaan.
Please remain standing. Colonel Antonino Buenaventura composed another piece for Baliwag University with lyrics written by Dr. Emiterio Tiburcio. Ms. Radiance Faith R. Domingo will again lead us in the singing of this piece, the Marcha ng Pamantasang Baliwag. This will be followed by the recessional.
Hiniling mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paralan, ang kislap ng iyong galan. Bandila'y wawagayway, at ikaw mo'y ihayag, iasik iyong liwanag. Tagumpay mo'y naging hangad, pamantas ang baliwag. Nunining mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paralan, ang kislap ng iyong ngalan. Bandila'y wawagayway, at ikaw mo'y ihayag, ihasik iyong liwanag. Tagumpay mo'y laging hangad, pamantas ang baliwag. Muling mo'y itatanghal, aming mutyang paralan, ang kislap ng iyong ngalan. Bandila'y wawagayway, at ikaw mo'y ihayag, ihasik iyong liwanag. Tagumpay mo'y laging hangad, pamantas ang baliwag.
Thank thank you for witnessing the culmination of the graduates' hard work in their commencement exercises 2023. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.